how to replace Google Assistant with Perplexity, let's begin. To start off, open the Perplexity app on your device. Once you are inside the app, click on the profile icon located at the upper left corner. After that, scroll down the Assistant section and choose Enable Assistant. Next, select the Digital Assistant app option from the list. At this point, choose Perplexity as your preferred assistant. Soon after, a confirmation message will appear. Simply hit OK to confirm your choice. Lastly, press and hold the circular home icon at the bottom center. Finally, you will notice that Google Assistant has now been replaced by Perplexity. And that's all. I hope this video helped.